Hello, and welcome. Today I will be showing how to connect a servo motor to a Microbit V2 single and explain the code used to move the motor. For this connection, you will need to connect 3V from Microbit to red wire of servo. Connect G and D from Microbit to brown wire of servo. Connect pin 0 from Microbit to orange wire of servo. It uses a combination of event-driven programming and control structures to continuously control a servo motor connected to the microcontroller. Let's break down the code step by step. Basic.forever function. This is an event-driven programming construct that defines a loop that runs continuously. The code inside the curly braces will be executed repeatedly as long as the microcontroller is powered on. While true, inside the basic.forever loop, there's a while true loop. This inner loop creates an infinite loop, meaning it will run indefinitely. In other words, the servo motor control code within this loop will keep running in an endless cycle. Pins.servo_write pin, analog pin.P0, 45. This line sets the position of a servo motor connected to the microcontroller. It uses the pins.servo_write pin function to control the servo motor. In this line, it sets the servo connected to the P0, analog pin.P0, pin to a position of 45 degrees. The servo will hold this position for a moment. Basic.pause, 1000. After setting the servo to a specific position, this line introduces a pause of 1000 milliseconds, 1 second, using the basic.pause function. This pause is used to keep the servo at the current position for 1 second. Pins.servo_write pin, analog pin.P0, 90. This line sets the servo at P0 to a new position of 90 degrees. Basic.pause, 1000. Another 1 second pause follows to keep the servo at the new position. Pins.servo_write pin, analog pin.P0, 180. This line sets the servo at P0 to a position of 180 degrees, which is typically the maximum position for many servo motors. Basic.pause, 1000. Finally, there's another 1 second pause to keep the servo at the 180 degree position. The code repeats this pattern indefinitely. It continuously moves the servo connected to pin P0 between 3 positions, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees, with 1 second intervals. Thanks for watching.